The LED floor lamp LT-3000-WH is a versatile lighting solution for your living room, offering stepless adjustable brightness ranging from 10 to 100% and three color temperatures varying from warm to white, 3000K to 6500K. This modern floor lamp not only remembers your last brightness setting, but also features a timer that can be set to turn off automatically after 30 minutes to 1 hour. Bright and eye-friendly, the lamp uses high-quality shades and a unique lamp head design to provide a flicker-free, strobe-free light, which is also devoid of blue lights. The LT-3000-WH is equipped with both touch control in the pole and a RF remote, offering you the convenience of adjusting the brightness directly or from a distance of up to 50 feet. With a sturdy design and a weighted base, this floor lamp is safe around children and pets, and its rotating head design allows you to adjust the light angle as needed. The installation of this LED standing lamp is straightforward, involving the assembly of the iron poles by spinning clockwise, connecting the power adapter with the lamp, and plugging in.